Hello and welcome back. This is Amit Lathigra. In my previous video, I have demonstrated you how to use font HTML element. In this video, I am demonstrating you how to create hyperlink in your HTML page. Basically, a hyperlink is a link through which you can navigate between pages in your website, or even you can navigate to external links. So what I'm going to do in my page, I'm going to create one link, and by clicking over that link, I will demonstrate you how to provide a navigation to external site. So to begin with, let's create a simple HTML page. I want to create hyperlink to this text, that is RK University. What I want to do in my HTML page, if someone is clicking over this text, that is RK University, I want to open a website of RK University. Facilitate this, in HTML, anchor tag is available. A is an element in HTML through which we can create hyperlink. I want to navigate to the website of RK University. To do this, I need to use hyperlink reference. So href is a property. I need to specify, as I am navigating to external link, I need to specify a protocol. It is a secure website, so HTTPS, then name of URL, that is rku.ac.in. There are two options, whether you want to open this external link in the same tab or you want to open a new tab or a new window. To do this, use target. If you specify value as _self, then this link will be opened in the same window or in same tab. If you want to open it in new tab, then you need to write target is equal to _blank. Let me demonstrate you both one by one. Target is equal to _self. This is by default. If you don't write this target, then also link will be opened in the same window. Let's check output. This is my page. Let's open it in browser. Observe here it is a link. RK University is a link. If I keep cursor above this link, then it is showing me hand symbol. So let me click here. Once I click on the text, it opens RK University website. But if you observe, RK University website loaded in the same window. What if I want to display it in new window or a new tab? So let me use target is equal to _blank. Let me refresh my page and let me click on RK University. In my browser, as of now, I'm having single tab. Let me click here. If you observe, new tab opened and website loaded in this new tab. My existing tab is as it is. Each time, whenever I'm clicking a link, it gives me output in new window or new tab, depends on browser functionality. If browser is not supporting multiple tabs, then it opens a new window or else new tab. What if you want to navigate within the same website? So for that you need multiple web pages. So let's create two web pages so that you will get an idea. Let me write here content is, this is my first page. Let's create one more page with the text. This is my second page, and let's save this page as page 2.html. So now in my folder, I'm having two pages and both are in the same folder named as WD101. What I want to do here, I want to specify link like go to page. This I want a new line. So let's use BR. And here let me create hyperlink through a tag, hyperlink reference. As both are in same folder, I can provide a relative path by specifying just name of page. So page 2.html. Let me end anchor tag. This is my page 2. Let's link it with my first page. So hyperlink reference page 1.html and go to page 1. Let's check output. This is my source code. Let's refresh page. My first page, go to page 2. So it is opening page 2 in the same window, same tab. This is my second page, go to page 1. So in this way, you can create hyperlinks within your website. If your page is not available in the same folder, what I mean to say, you are having some directory, let's have name dir, and you kept, for example, page 2 within this directory. So now I'm having page 1 within WD101 and one directory dir which contains page 2. So let's check our source code. This is my page 1, but now page 2 is not available in the same folder. It is available within directory, and then within directory we are having page 2. Let me open page 2. Now page 1 is available in parent directory. So parent directory is WD101. So basically whenever you write dot, it indicates present working directory or current directory. And whenever you write 2 dot, it indicates parent directory. One directory up, then page 1. What does it means? One directory up means back, parent directory, and then page 1. Let's check it here. This is my first page. Let me click on go to page 2. Here it is showing page 2. And go to page 1. Now it is showing page 1. So this is all about how to create hyperlinks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep watching my upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a good day.